Have you run out of ideas of what to cook?
Well, then you came to the right place.
Today we got a great recipe and we are making Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes. So come on in. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again here today on Cooking with Shotgun Red. We're so happy you're back.
Yes, we are.
We love when you all come into the kitchen.
Yes, we do.
We get to share these great yummy recipes with you.
Yes, we are.
We have this great recipe and this is just a little bit of a variation on a classic recipe of Philly cheesesteak and of a sloppy joe. So we are combining that, making these Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes.
Billy Joe.
Billy Joe.
Philly Joe.
Philly Joe.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're gonna make a Philly Joe.
We're gonna call it a Philly Joe. That's our name. I like it. All right. So we're gonna show you how we do this, and we're gonna take you back and get started. Okay. So we've got 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef in here, and we've got our skillet here on medium high, and I'll probably turn that down here in a minute after I get this browning up a little bit.
Yeah, and you're using that little chopper that is on the website.
I know, I love this little chopper. And we'll have that link right below this video if you want to check that out. This is such a handy little dandy thing, isn't it?
I know, and don't cost that much.
I'm going to turn that down to medium now. That's going. Get this browning up.
So you got 1 medium onion.
Got that chopped up. I'm going to add that.
Looks really good already.
Kind of a medium large onion, isn't it?
It is.
It's a little bigger than I thought it was. And then we're going to add in, we had just 1 medium
Bell pepper.
bell pepper.
Green bell pepper.
Yeah, and we're going to chop that up, add that in there because we want that to cook. And that's going to take just a little bit more time to cook.
I'm glad you're not slinging all that out because you know I'd have to eat it.
I know. All right.
A whole bowl full of mushrooms.
A whole bowl.
A whole bowl.
About a cup. All right, and we're just going to let this brown up here and cook that onion and bell pepper and mushrooms and let it flavor that meat. It smells really good already, doesn't it?
It sure does.
Yummy. All right, I'm just going to cover it for a few minutes and let that brown up.
That's browning up really nice.
It is. I think we should season the meat. What do you think?
Yes. You got a teaspoon of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder there.
Teaspoon of each.
Yes.
We're going to season up that meat. And we want to let that cook a little bit more. I want to cook off some of that liquid in there.
Now you can go with a smell-o-vision.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Turn it up.
Absolutely. Yummy. We're going to let that cook a little bit more. And I want to leave some of that beef a little chunkier because I want it to be chunky. Well, we can't have a beef recipe without Sheila's favorite ingredient.
Sauce.
The word, the W word.
Right.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Yeah, that one.
Worcestershire sauce.
You know we can't say it.
All right.
Then we've got 2 tablespoons of
ketchup.
And I'm just going to mix that around. Ketchup makes everything good. Here. Oh, sorry. Shaving a haircut. I did it on something else and somebody was like, why is she tapping on that thing? We're going to mix that.
Don't use a spoon on that kind of pan.
Yeah. And get that mixed in. How's that looking, Sheila?
That's looking good.
Smells really good, that's for sure. I'm hungry.
You can stop any time right now on anything and I can go for it.
All right, and then we've mixed up some cornstarch and water, equal parts, and this is about a rounded tablespoon of cornstarch and about maybe 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of water, just as equal as you can get it. You know, you just kind of have to see how it is. This is going to help thicken this up. It's easy for me to say. Mom's over here laughing because I can't talk today. Of course, this is how I always am.
This is our last recipe for the week, isn't it?
It is, but we've had so much fun.
Oh my gosh.
I can't wait to
laughed so much in the kitchen. A lot of people asked, are we like that in the kitchen? Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. We're like that all the time.
Whether we're filming or not.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, we giggle and laugh a lot. But we've had some fun, and I can't wait to share all these recipes. So we've got about a cup of beef broth, and I'm just going to add a little bit of this. And I don't want to add the whole thing because I want to see how thick it gets with the cornstarches in there. So I'm just going to do about half of that right now and mix this up and let it simmer here just a little bit. And we'll see how thick it gets. I don't want to add too much liquid too fast. Let's just see how this goes. Alright, I think I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup more. So total is 3/4 of a cup of beef broth. We're going to let that finish simmering up here. And then we're going to go ahead and start toasting our buns.
Can't wait for that.
That's
I'm ready. I'm ready.
That's Sheila's favorite part. Getting them buns toasting. she likes toasted buns. I was watching something of Steve's the other day. With butter, yeah. I was watching one of them and she said, "Oh no, Sheila says we have to toast the buns."
Even though it might be a round piece of bread or something, he said she always has to cut it corner to corner, even if it's round.
Oh my gosh, you're funny. All right, and then the final topping on this wonderfully yummy smelling dish is some provolone cheese. And what we're going to do is...
That's my fave.
We're just going to take it and we're going to lay it right on top. I've already turned off the heat here. And I'm going to spread that around. And we're going to let that melt right over the top of this.
You're spreading the love around.
I'm spreading that cheesy love around. And I'm going to take and just cover it so it'll melt. And I'm going to go ahead and move it off the heat. Oh, wow. Look at that.
That looks scrumptious.
Got our buns toasted.
Philly Joe's here.
Oh, bring that plate on over here. It's going to get messy. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, there's more.
There's more.
There's more stringy stuff.
Oh
my gosh, that looks so good.
More cheese.
I'm trying. All right, let me get some of mine here. Then I'll have to. Maybe it's better to do it like that. Yeah, that might be good. Good Lord, that's cheesy. You know how we like that cheese.
I love cheese.
I am so ready to try this.
I know it.
I know it's messy, and you might need a fork. Our Philly Joes are ready to try.
Yes.
Oh, look at all that cheese.
I gotta smash it.
Smash it. It's gonna be messy. Ready?
No.
It's gonna make. We should put bibs on.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Mmm. 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 That is so good. Wow.
Messy? Yes.
But
Good.
it is tasty.
Yes.
You are gonna love this recipe. She's like, she's scarfing down. We're gonna be like we'll be sleeping after
Look
this
at this
episode.
hanging.
I know. But isn't it good?
Oh gosh.
Oh, the flavor's so good. You gotta make this. You guys will love this. You get tired of the traditional sloppy Joe, you can try this one and it'll spice up your dinner. Make that Philly Joe.
Just spice up your Philly Joe.
Let's spice up that Philly Joe.
Okay.
It's really good. The flavor of the meat and everything. I mean, just by itself, it's like, And
on those toasted buttered buns.
Yes.
And they're the Hawaiian rolls.
Oh yeah, we put this on the Hawaiian rolls, and we toasted up, buttered them, got them all grilled up to put on, and boy, they look yummy. They taste yummy. They are yummy. She's like, she's gonna keep eating. Well, as Steve would say, are these the best Philly Joes you ever had? If they ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
This is so good.
Gotta try another.
Oh, you gotta try one of these.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.